Hey, how feeling good, great, and all that other shit. I hope y'all had a great weekend. I hope it was like, just filled with laughter, love, and consciousness and awareness and love and peace and joy and all that other shit. Black people, come on, let's stop playing. Y'all know how I do it. I just jump right into it. So look, so check this out. I had this really good conversation with one of my fashion friends who just so happened to be gay. So of course, like I dive deep into his love situations, and so he was like, "Girl, um, he had this friend who he'd been knowing for a long time who was straight, and they was on the phone, and then he started talking about something that he had gotten fat and that his ass is fat, and so the dude was like, "Now, mind you, this dude that he was talking to is supposed is in the public. He's a straight male. This man has a lot of children. I think I don't know if it's a whole bunch of baby mamas. I'm not going to say that. So not because I don't know that for sure. But I know he has some children out in the world, right? And recognized as straight. And so they on the phone. He told us he get fat. And he was like, yo, because my ass get fat. He was like, so let me see, whatever. So he showed him his ass, whatever. But somehow they were able to reconnect, like personally. Well, I mean, because they was friends, like for him to come to my friend's house, who was the gay guy, and he was like, yo, and they fucked, right? So I was just like, I wanted to dig deep. So I said, so how was it? Was y'all kissing? Was he licking on you? Was it passionate? How was it? So he was like, no, like he just like he sucked his dick, and he said that he said normally he's a top, but he was like he allowed this dude to fuck him in his ass. Man, see, this is why I'm so scared. 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 You know what I'm saying? For real. Like, you don't be knowing who. You don't know nobody's sexual motherfucking purpose, but I know you can't allow fear to get in the way of you moving forward in life, right? But that is a fear of mine. You know what I'm saying? Like, because you just never know. Like, these dudes be lying. You know what I'm saying? You know you like a little dick every now and again. Like my girl Kaya said. Yeah, but you should be honest about that. Like if you know you like fucking a man and all this old shit and every now and then, I guess whatever. Yep. Like it's best to just tell to tell a female. Let her make that decision to know if she want to continue to deal with you. Maybe you figure this shit out for yourself later on in life. Maybe this man just felt like he had that need. I don't know. I can't like I'm not even gonna try to fixate my mind around it as to why and how. But the fact remains is that he had a sexual encounter with another man. So he is bisexual or gay or whichever, because you had same sex. You know what I'm saying? In that moment, yes, you are bisexual. And also, class due to the fact that you did have an encounter with a gay man, straight man, who say you ain't gay, you bisexual, boo. Because more than likely, you probably gonna do that shit again. Because according to my friend, he said that motherfucker came quick. I said, what was he doing? What was he? Was he like holding? He was like, yeah, he was smacking his ass, holding him by the waist, all this shit. I said, wow. But then he said after they fucked, like he ghosted him. I said, oh, because probably his like, what would you call it, guilt or shame? I don't even know why you would be, because whatever you're doing, like you were a willing participant. This is something that you wanted to do. So don't try to run and hide from it now, motherfucker. There was another case where this one guy, this was something I read, and they actually had the footage. Oh Lord! And he was about to get married, and luckily his, the fiance found out, so where she didn't even have to deal with no on the low motherfucker like that. He was fucking some dude. They was fucking like and missionary, but with the legs thrown up. You know what I'm saying? Had the dude's legs thrown up. And I wonder where the dick and the balls be. I guess it just be over to the side. And he was fucking the dude, the chat chat. I just don't even be. I don't. You know what I'm saying? But the thing that shit do scare me about men. Like, it really, really do. Because I just be looking at him like, I don't know who. And then he sent me Why he sent me a picture of this motherfucker? He was a cutie pie, ladies. He was a cutie pie. He truly was. You know what I'm saying? A nice body. Cutie pie. I'm just saying. But anyway, yeah, so ladies, I just want to just caution you to just, I just pay attention. Like, I am so, like, my senses are so, like, just on top, like, to where I pay attention to everything, to every motherfucking thing. You know what I'm saying? Look, so let me tell you this was no, I ain't gonna say that. I share it for my girls. When y'all come to my Seductive ArT workshop, some shit is just for my sisters. Yes, that's what I'm saying. But anyway, but I am, ladies, you have to pay attention to everything that's going on around you, like with these guys, because you never know. And also just try to see if you can have straight conversation. Like, are you know what I'm saying? Oh, you know, another question you can ask a dude, ladies. What do you think about? Well, we'll talk about that at my Seductive ArT workshop. I hope y'all come because this is a good one, and I have a special guest. But anyway, so let's check this out. Y'all have to also share this shit. Just be cautious, ladies, when it comes to that, because there's a lot of DL guys. Oh, and then I had another gay friend talk like he used to see the person that he was fucking and they was fucking with his family all the time, being a dad and a so-called husband. Shit. Moving right along. So look, I just recently, okay, I met this guy, right? So, okay, Matt, whatever, he asked for the number. You know, I applaud guys courage. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of, I won't even say, like, not that I'm like so motherfucking, I don't know, intense person that can't nobody talk to, or you know what I'm saying, or whatever the fuck. But you know, he did approach and ask for the number, so I gave. You know what I'm saying? But and giving him my number, he texts me, right? Not a conversation. You know how motherfuckers send you those like those little postal notes, digital postal notes. Have a great day. And there's always something positive. I don't know, just always some positive shit, right? And I always reply back with an actual comment of my own because you know clearly that's not his, but okay, whatever. But I was like, oh, thank you, you know, same to you, you know, God bless all that, you know. So that was the extent of our conversation, right? And he invited me to a place before, and I went, had a lovely time. So he had something else coming up. Like he always, I guess, like he always get tickets to go here and go there. So he invited me somewhere else. So he's like, yo, you know what I'm saying? He did first of all, he sent me the flyer. You know what I'm saying? And I was like, yo, I don't know if this is an invite or what, because you know what I'm saying? Because he don't say anything. Right. So he was like, yeah, it's an invite. So I was like, okay, cool. Well, yeah, I'll go. You know, can I bring my girlfriend? She's like, yeah. So she wanted I'm not coming. But anyway, so I go, of course, because, you know, I need to be out promoting what I got going on and all this sort of shit. I figured, you know, it would be sisters there, you know. So I went and I got there before him. So it was such a beautiful day. I didn't want to be inside. So I sat outside. And I was just sitting outside on this fire hydrant, like the high fire hydrant, whatever. So I'm sitting there, and I had me a little drink in my little cup. You know, I'm sitting by, I'm chilling, and so I see him, and so I walk towards him. So we like approaching each other, right? So as we approaching each other, I'm just looking like now. I know I'm not like physically attracted to this person, and I'm not attracted to your mind either, because as a grown man, the way that you're trying to come at me. So clearly, I know that I don't think that you interested in me like that because of the way that you call yourself communicating as an adult male. So, but as we approaching each other, I was thinking he better not. So I was like, no, let me not act like that. Because y'all know, I told y'all I don't like people touching me. So I came in. I was like, you know, I'm going to give him a hug. You know, I gave him the hug with the booty back, you know, like, hi, whatever. Then he went through. Oh, no. I didn't do that, though. But oh, no. 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 You know what I'm saying? But I didn't do that. I was just so, oh, no, please don't kiss me. I don't like to be kissed, right? Then he gonna come back with, well, what do you like having done to you? don't talk to me like that. That's exactly what that's exactly how I said it. You know what I'm saying? And that was the end of that. Like, now mind you, y'all may be like, bitch, you said you don't mind talking about sex. Okay, yeah, I don't. But mind you, we never even had. That's not like when I first meet a guy and we exchange numbers and then we sit down at dinner and we have a conversation and then sex is not the first thing. Like, it get it's casually in intertwine into the conversation. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm not like a young girl. I'm a whole grown woman. I don't have a problem with that. But for you as a person who I met, and the only way that you communicate with me is through these postal digital notes, like you don't come at me like that. So men, so this is a great lesson for y'all. Like when you meet like a female, and also if that's, I don't know, like where his mind is at. Well, as far, I don't know if he think he gonna fuck, because you're definitely not, because that's not how you go about that shit. You know what I'm saying? But not from a bitch like me anyway. But because we're all sexual beings and don't we all want to fuck? I mean, you know what I'm saying? Not that it's just that easy. I'm just, you know what I'm saying? So for him to just come out and say some shit, you just don't do that. No conversation that's like, nah, I don't know you, but you invite me to shit, I'll show up. You know what I'm saying? But like, what do y'all think about that shit? Like, and man, like, no, that's not. And I mind you, and I can't say what he was thinking. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't know. All I know is that that's what he presented to me, and that was the postal notes, the digital postal notes, and he'll invite me somewhere. And you know what I'm saying? And that was it. So you couldn't possibly be into me because you never said anything like that. But it was just. And that's not a way you. And even if he was thinking like he trying to get to know me, or something, that's not a way you go about it. The all wrong, or like no, and I'm not saying that he was trying to either, because you know what I'm saying. Because he never presented that either. So, but he did. But I guess he was being friendly with the kid. Bitch, don't put your lips on me. And people, do y'all get mad when somebody don't like you? Like, I know, like initially, people just prone to think that women are just supposed to be like accepting of a hug from a man, accepting of a kiss from some. No, bitch. I know in certain cultures and Hispanic cultures, y'all bitches do that shit, and that's okay. But that's y'all. That ain't me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know. Uh uh. I don't, and you just have to motherfucking accept that shit. Like, I mean, like, what the fuck? Everybody don't want to be touched by you. Like, you can say hi without, you know what I'm saying? I shake your hand, or we can do the hug back like that, like, just nice and friendly and you know what I'm saying? But don't come in like, I like this one, I don't know who it was. It was some girl. They was taking a picture together. And so, they slid into each other. So he came down and like was about to put his hand on her butt, and she pushed her, and she took his hand and put his hand up. It's like Michael Jordan did that shit to Mary J. Blige. Maybe they had a situation. I don't know. Motherfucker, don't touch me. The fuck is you doing? Y'all need to stop that shit. Anyway, y'all know. First of all, I want to say thank y'all so much for watching, and please leave a comment, all that shit. Resonate with you already know. Hit that, click that. I would appreciate that. As you know, I am an author. The name of my book is titled Quickie. Our slogan is Read While You Fuck, Fuck While You Read. It's an erotic fiction, 7 stories inspired by the great Zane, the queen of eroticism in literature. Because I was inspired by her book, Sex Addicted. I think that's the name of it. Or Sex or something like that. So, but anyway, so yeah, Quickie. It's an ebook form only $1.99. It'll be in the description box. As well as, I'm a designer. The name of my brand is Real Nice by Rill. I have some new arrivals soon. She's going to be here, and I'm super, super great and excited about that. So, and also that'll be down in the description too. But the website is seductive-art.com, and you can see, purchase your tickets and all that old stuff. So anyway, I'd like to say thank y'all. Y'all know I always leave with be kind, be great, be all that old good shit. And please be that. But most importantly, you need to be unapologetically uncut and raw, without like no compromising. Whoever likes you like you, whoever don't. Stop trying to feel like you need to fit in some sort of bubble in order to be accepted by people or whatever the fuck. No, you don't. bitch. Be you. When I say bitch, I mean man and female. Y'all know that's just about. I ain't gotta explain that shit, but I will explain that when I say bitch, I mean man and female. Bitch. So, just authentically, always, without a doubt, people. And that is be you. Until the next time, y'all have a great day. Peace.